This is the large 12,000 BTU air conditioner dehumidifier. This is a remote that comes with it. It would tell you your current room temperature, which is really cool. You can turn it on. You can cycle through. You see this comes up automatically. I like that. That's really cool. Okay, so you can see here exactly what it's doing. It's set for auto. You can change your modes from that as well. You can go down here to cool. I'm trying to see the, there you go, that's a better view. You can go to dry, to just the fan, to heat, to swing. So there's a lot of options on here. You got your sleep, you got your lock and speed and those things. Of course, it's 95 degrees outside, so cool is definitely the way to go. I can turn that off. And I like that, you know, you get to see, watch that too. It closes there automatically. All the features are up here as well, which I really like. And what's cool about this too, I'm going to just Velcro this and like kind of put this like right here, so that it's, you know, I don't lose these things because I have a tendency to misplace them. But if I do, I have everything up here as well, which is really cool. You can turn it on, gives you your temperature. Comes on. You can see here, it says auto. You can cycle through the modes as well. There, that's going to go to low, and you can see up here it goes to dry because I just changed the mode. There's the fan, and there's the cool. So that's on auto right there. You can, oops, sorry, you're probably hearing all that blowing right there now. You can change the fan speed as well. So there's several different features of that. Here's high. You can hear that. I think that pushes out a lot of air, which is, I think, really great. I put it on the swing function. Here's how the swing works. You can see that. I have it up on high. I turned down. So there's the swing function. That goes up and down automatically, which is really cool. And I like it too because I have an upstairs, so when this blows up, that's good. It kind of gets the steps behind me and stuff. And I personally like that. I like this motion here, the vertical motion. So just keep in mind this will not go in a horizontal sort of motion. The unit itself comes on. It sits really flush, and it has wheels that are built in that makes it easy to roll, which is great for the size of the unit, and definitely like a good medium weight. Back here as well is your air intakes, and there's your filter, so everything snaps together. They're really good. Haven't had a problem with that. Cleaning the filters are really easy access. Large handles here on both sides inside to lift that up. So I just want to show this to you. And as far as the cooling effect in my living room, my kitchen's behind me as well. It cools both rooms really nice. And like I said, it's been a very hot summer, and this has been a lifesaver in that regard, keeping everything cool. And I do like the other settings on it as well, with the dehumidifier and everything that you see there, the dry, the fan, the heat. So it has a lot of other things that are built into it that really helps. You can use your timer as well if you want to keep things a little bit warmer while you're away, things like that. So it has the features I like. The remote is really nice and easy to use with all the features clearly in the front there. So just wanted to describe it to you, let you know. I think it works really good. I haven't had any problem with it, and it has kept our rooms very comfortable.